Alright, this is my Wooting ADHE unboxing vid. Let me just fucking rip this. I don't have a knife. Yeah, it's stuck on here, man. Boom. Put that on the bed. Oh shit, my camera fell. There we go. Alright, let me get this out. Okay, this is fucking... I don't know what that is, man. Ooh, here is... Oh, it's heavy. Probably because of the zinc alloy, but it's really heavy. There you go. Boom. Did it put the keycaps that I ordered inside? Doesn't look like it's inside the box. Maybe it comes separately. Alright, let me fix the camera. Boom. Alright, let's open this. There. Boom. Get rid of all the plastic. Boom. Alright, we're gonna do a review of the sound. Let's open this up. I'm looking through the camera right now to see where... Okay, I'll just look. Boom. You with us, challenging the industry. Alright, man. Whatever, sure. Ooh, I see the traveling case inside. It comes with the zinc alloy. Ooh. Wait, what does it say here? It says something. Okay, Wooting.io, quick start. We saved you the trouble of reading a super boring paper manual. You quickly get started by visiting this website. Sure. Alright, nothing else inside the box. Cool box though. Alright, let's see what's inside of here. Damn, this looks cool, man. This is like premium plus. I'm gonna use this normally and not even for my keyboard. There we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's get this open. Oh shit. Oh, I opened it wrong. Alright. Oh shit, the keycaps and switches are all inside of the traveling case. Shit. Ooh, they also gave me one of the wrapped cables. I was gonna buy that separately. I didn't know that came with the zinc alloy. The zinc alloy gets you a lot of extras, man. Alright, cable. Put it here. Okay. Oh shit. What is... Oh. Paper. Let's open this. Oh shit. Did I get a letter? Ooh. Wooting, greetings from Wooting, and I can write stuff behind it. Thank you for your support and contribution. If you ever need a favor, write it down here and send the postcard to us. We'll do our best to make it happen. Damn. Alright, that's actually sick. I'm gonna keep this inside of one of my cabinets over here in case I ever need something and they can do their best to give it to me. Well, this is not sponsored, by the way. I'm just doing this. Boom. Oh yeah, it is heavy. It is really heavy. Alright, we're gonna get to these stuff after. Alright, let's get this off. This is my old keyboard, my Ducky 1-2 Mini. I've had this for many years now. But yeah, it's time to make the change. This cost like 450 bucks, bro. But I think it's worth it. How do I get this out cleanly, bro? Like this. Boom. Wow. Look at this. This looks sick, man. There's something over here as well. I don't know what that is yet. Yo, look, I'm downloading and it's like green and getting over to the other side to let me know that it's almost finished. That is awesome. Alright, let me just have it your side. Boom. Yeah, that's heavy. And yeah, nothing else inside of here. And oh wait, I can just put the postcard inside of here. I'll do that later. Put it inside of here again. Boom. Alright, let me get the cable in and we'll see how it sounds and if it is actually good. There we go. Goodbye, Ducky 1-2 Mini. Goodbye. Never using you again. Alright, get over here. Boom. Time to put it inside of this keyboard. Let me first turn it around. Or wait, I'll just do the sound test now and put it at the end of the video. Alright, now connect it. Boom. Gonna bring the camera over here. Oh. Shit. Let me fix this. Boom. And put this cable in. I saw it was on this side, I think. Yeah. Boom. Holy. Alright, let me just get this cable down. It has nice, lights as well. Let me put it here. Shit. Yeah, I see how people do the double clicking or the geometry dash clicking. That is sick. Alright, let me do the setting up thing and I'll get back and put on the keycaps and the other stuff, the switches. Alright, boom. I'm done fixing it, but let's see what they put inside of the bags. Yeah, let's open this. Yeah, that's how you open it. Nice. Alright, so it looks like... What is this? What is this? 6 degrees. It says 6 degrees. Oh, probably holding my keyboard up. That's sick. Let me put it over here for now. This is 10. I think it's inches. I don't know. I don't know how much that is though. And then a number 9. And then this should be 6 or no 7. No, this is also a 10. 2 10s. And then the rest of the stuff is keycaps in case, yeah, additional keycaps in case I lose mine. And then what are these? These are puller and switches. Okay, so I have a puller to pull the switches out and switches. So I have extra switches in here. Nice. Now let's check this one out. Oh, these are just some extra like those little scrap pieces. Now let me just put all of these back in and then put them inside of the keyboard like holding case. These are useful to have though. And then put this back on, like smash it on. Boom. And now time for the sound test. I mean, just listen to this, guys. Wait, let me put it close. Spacebar is fucking awesome. Everything else too. Alright, so I've been using this keyboard for like almost a week now, and I can undoubtedly say that this is the best keyboard I have ever used for typing, for gaming, for everything, even the settings. And now that I've been editing for over like 16 hours on both videos, just click on the other video. It'll be posted 5 minutes after this, and you'll see. Goodbye. But yeah, goodbye. Big Man Halal Productions.